Hello everyone, I hope you are having a terrific day. It's Emily on this last day in March 2018, Saturday, March 31st. And I want to go ahead and do my weekly garden update, starting with tomato seedlings. You can't really even call them seedlings anymore, they're so tall. They're plants, my tomato plants. Look, I'm telling you right now, I removed a phone book, like an old Dallas phone book, okay? So they're thick, from this yesterday to get it to stop hitting the light, and it's already hitting the light. So I need to get these outside during the day from now on. I don't have anywhere else to put them inside. And lime basil. The lime basil is actually, lime basil are the two in the square pots, two little square pots. They are taller than the pepper. I don't know why pepper grows so much more slowly, but it does. I think it's, usually if you go to a nursery or wherever where they have starts, the tomato starts are usually bigger. They're taller than the pepper starts. That's the way it is. They're just a little bit slow, but that's all right. Okay, as I head out to do the rest of this garden video, I am going to mute this because it's quite windy outside, and I have a hair in my eye. It's quite windy outside today. I don't want you to have to hear all that wind noise, so I'm just going to mute it and just put a little music on and do some text so you understand what you're looking at, just in case. Sometimes it's, if you're not into fruit trees, it's hard to know which tree you're looking at and things like that. So let's head outside and see what's going on in the orchard and the garden.